Take this sense of peace and calm with you in your daily life. Thank you for joining us on this virtual reality experience. Take another deep breath, and let yourself fully immerse in this peaceful environment. Let go of any stress or worries, and focus on the present moment. Let your mind wander and focus on the present moment. Imagine the sun warming your skin, the cool breeze on your face, and the sound of the water. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine yourself in this peaceful environment. Listen to the sounds of nature and let yourself relax.